it's Sam. So today we are going to be doing a Dailylook try on for, I guess this would be my November box, right? I'm pretty sure it's my November box. So I have actually done a few different Dailylook try on hauls, and so I will go ahead and leave those in the description box below so you guys can go and check out what I have gotten in my previous boxes. If you're not familiar with Dailylook, it is basically a personalized, like you get your own stylist. You take a survey, you go onto the website, you fill in everything that you like, everything you don't like, your sizes, all of that kind of stuff, and then you get a personal stylist that shops for you, chooses out items that they think will work for your body type or just kind of like what you like, and then they send it out to you. You get to try everything on, decide what you want to keep, what you want to send back. You send it back, no charge because the shipping is free to send back. And then you just basically had a personal stylist shop for you. It's great because it gets you out of your comfort zone. They send you things that maybe you wouldn't normally pick out for yourself, but then you're like, oh, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I really do like this. So it's a great way to just kind of like try new fashion pieces. And also if you are someone who just cannot be bothered to go shopping, it's a great way to have just your clothes sent to you. You don't even have to do anything. You just try it on and then send back what you don't want, buy what you do want. They usually always send you some kind of like code so that if you want to buy more than, I think it's more than 3 pieces, you get 50% off. Let me just check, hold on. Don't miss out on your exclusive offer. Use code blah 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 to get 50% off the lowest cost item when you buy 3 or more from your box. So usually if you buy 3 items, then you end up getting a discount, which is pretty darn good. 50% off of your lowest cost is still 50% off of something. They do always send you a prepaid shipping label. So then you can just slap that on, put it on your box, and take it to the post office, and off it goes. You have really nice bags sometimes. They have jewelry. I don't think I've ever gotten shoes. No, I'm pretty sure I haven't. It's always been the clothes, outerwear, bags, or jewelry. But today we're gonna go ahead and just try on everything. I'm gonna just share everything with you guys that I got in my box this time. I'm going to let you guys know what I like, what I don't like, and what I decide to keep. Don't forget to check out those links down below to see what other things I've gotten in previous boxes. And then of course I will leave the link down to Dailylook down below as well so that you guys can go and check it out, take your survey, get your personal stylist. This is a luxury box, so if you are someone who has a very low budget, this is not the box for you. This is something that is a little bit more higher end. They're kind of like, you know, name brand clothes. Definitely a little bit pricier. You can tell a difference in the materials. They are really well made, very high quality pieces, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. So if you're looking for something really affordable, it's probably not the box for you, but if you don't mind spending a little bit more money for like nicer quality pieces that are gonna last you a little bit longer, this is definitely the box for you. So keep on watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below. What was your favorite piece that I tried on today? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon. Let's go ahead and get started. Bye. Okay, so the first piece are these jeans. These are too big, unfortunately. These are by what is it called? DL1961. As you can see right here, what is this? They're too big. These are a size 30, which normally I am, I think, a 30. Maybe I'm a 29, I don't know. But in these, I'm definitely not a 30 because then it's just making me look like I have a crotch. I mean, I do, but not a men's one. Kind of a bummer because I feel like if they fit, I actually really like the way they look. Like, I love the material. They're really soft. I love that huge big cuff at the bottom. I think they're actually really cute with like little like mule kitten heels. They're just not the right size for me, so I must probably be a 29 in these. But great distressing, great color. Love the distressing here. It's just, they don't fit, unfortunately. And then you can see the back just isn't really very flattering. There's like a ton of extra material. It just doesn't look that good on me. So total bummer. Maybe they're just supposed to fit loose and it's just better for like tall, skinny people, but not so much for me. But the next piece is like a nice white t-shirt, really soft material. Again, I don't know how I like the fit on this. It's a little shorter than I like, and it kind of just is a little boxy. It doesn't give me the best shape. It just doesn't do a whole lot, and it could be that I'm wearing it with these pants that also don't fit, but I just normally like it either to be longer or like more fitted because this just is making me look super duper wide. Okay, so next are these pants, and actually these do fit perfectly. I don't know what's the size of these. I'm not sure where the tag is. They're really cute. Oh, here's the tag. let's see. These are a size medium. I think that they're really soft material. They're really, really cute. I would definitely have to wear something long in the back with it because the material is thin, so it shows like cellulite and all of the wiggly jigglies back there. And I do think these are really cute, and I think you could wear these in winter, fall, and spring and summer. Like, I feel like they're a piece that you could actually wear all year. They're really cute. They don't actually go with this top. I think they're really cute. I love the fact that it has like a big pocket here. I think that they're decently flattering, and I like the material because it's super, super silky soft. So I think it would just be a matter of like trying to find the right top to go with it. It's kind of like in the maybes right now. So this obviously needs to be steamed. It's super wrinkled. This is the next piece. It's from Olivia Gray, I believe. This is a size medium. I feel like I probably could have gone with a small in this because I feel like I'm kind of swimming in it. It definitely runs big. Well, I love the buckle on the sleeve. I think that's really cute. It does have pockets, which is nice. There's a lot of kind of like stuff going on right here, but not on that side. So I don't know how I feel about this because I'm so symmetrical of a person. Like, I really like things to be symmetrical, and that kind of like stresses me out a little bit. I like the collar though. I think that's kind of cute. Obviously, if it wasn't wrinkled, it would look a lot better. It's so big on me that I feel like I'm kind of just swimming in it because... Oh, hold on a minute. There's a little what's it in the back. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so that's what it looks like tied up. I don't know. I just feel like the arms are so big that I just feel really sloppy and messy in it. Like, I found it in like my uncle's coat closet and I stuck it on. I just don't think it's that flattering on me. I just think it's just too big for me. So that one's a no-go. Next is this cardigan. Clearly does not go with the rest of the outfit. But it is a really cute cardigan. I like the kind of like open front and how it kind of drapes longer on one side. The only problem is that the material is super duper itchy on the arms. Like, this part is really soft, but then this part is really itchy on my arms, and I hate itchy cardigans. So this one is gonna have to be a no-go. It is really cute though, so, but no, I can't do it. Okay, so next is this little jacket. Now, I actually really do like this jacket. It's like a little, like super lightweight, kind of like a windbreaker, I suppose. But it's nice because it's a little bit longer, so you could wear this with leggings. It's gonna cover your bum. It's got these big pockets right here in the front. Can I do it without? I don't think I can do it with one hand. And then it does have a little drawstring as well, so that you can make it a little bit tighter and more fitted, which is kind of cute as well. And then it does have the little buttons so that you can roll these up. Let me just roll it up for you guys so you can see what it looks like that way. So this is what this one looks like with the sleeves rolled up. I actually really like this. I think I'm actually gonna keep this piece. It does have a hood, which, you know, it's always good to have a bit of a hood. I think this is probably more of like a spring type of jacket, or if you live in somewhere that's like really warm in the fall, then you could still have this to look a little bit more fallish. But I like the kind of neutral, kind of like oatmeal-y color. I like the fact that you can zip it up. It does have the big pocket, so it kind of just adds a little bit of something. You have the drawstring so that you can pull it in a little tighter. And I love the way the sleeves look. So yes, this is a winner for me. I really like this piece. I think this is something that I would actually wear, and I can wear it with leggings or jeans, and I think either way, it looks pretty cute. So yes, good piece, yay. Okay, next is this really pretty mauve kind of like, I suppose it's like a tank top blouse. The bra that I'm wearing is currently like not the type of bra that you should wear with this, but I love the straps. Like, I love this little kind of like ruffling detail around here, and the way it fits you is really flattering. Like, that always makes the shoulder look way skinnier than it actually is. So I love the cut. I would just have to wear the right bra with it. But even if you had a blazer on over this in the fall/winter, this would still be a really pretty little detailing, and then have like a little pretty little necklace or like a longer one. And I love the fact that it does come down a little bit lower, so it covers the lady bits. You could just tuck it as well and then have a cute little belt, and that would also be really cute as well. So I'd probably wear this with like a little jacket, some kind of cardigan. So yeah, I think I'll keep this one. I like the color. I like the little detailing. It fits me really nicely, and it's something that I would definitely see myself wearing. So this one is a yay as well. Next is this piece, and while I do think it's really pretty, I don't like the fact that it's sheer, because then that means I have to find a tank top to go under it, and I don't know, sometimes I find it like that's a pain. And I also don't like the cutout because that shows the absolute fattest part of my arm. So that is a no-go. However, I think the material is beautiful. I love this little ruffle here. I like this little ruffle here. I like how long it is. I like the fact that it flows, and it does look really cute with jeans, but I feel like this is really springy, summery appropriate, and we're into fall and winter. So I just feel like it's not the right time for it to be in my wardrobe. I could deal with the sheerness, but I really hate that part of my arms, so I don't want to bring attention to that. So this one is definitely going to be a no-go. The last thing that I got in my box is from Gorjana, and it is some earrings. So these are some little hoops. And they are silver, and I normally go for gold, so I think I'm probably going to say no for those just because I prefer gold jewelry currently. So now we just gotta decide what to keep. I really thought that these were kind of like a, maybe these were the wide leg pants. So these are, I'm just looking on my list here, those ones are $58, which I think the price isn't terrible. They are very silky, they're a really nice material. Then we have the kind of like anorak, kind of, you know, windbreaker jacket, which I really liked. I'm definitely keeping that. So this is $98, and I don't know, I feel like this is one of those pieces that I don't think I've ever found anything like this that fits quite as nicely, that's as soft and silky. So I think this will be a piece that I will be keeping. And then this piece, I feel like even though it was a little short, it's kind of great when you tuck it in. So I'm gonna check the price on that one. That one is $88, so a little high for a white top that I don't love. So I don't know, we're trying to decide. I'm trying to decide if I should keep this one or not. It is really silky and soft. I just don't know if it's like a little bit too short, but it was good tucked in. So that's another piece that I'm trying to decide on. And then this piece right here, I absolutely loved. This is so beautiful. I love the color. I love the ruffle detailing. This one is $62. So I feel like this one, I mean, it's $62. It's a really pretty like ruffle detailing. I like the material. It's kind of like that blousey material, which I think is sometimes a little bit more expensive. So I feel like this is definitely something that I would keep for sure. So these are my for sures right here. Definitely the jacket and definitely the blouse. And then these are my maybes. I don't know, I'm trying to decide now because this would actually look really cute with a turtleneck I just had. So I'm trying to decide with these two. But yeah, definitely the jacket and that for sure, because I feel like those I'll actually get some use out of. Even if I had this over like a cozy sweater, I feel like that would still be, you know, I could still wear it in the fall and be okay. So overall, I liked pretty much almost everything. The only thing that I wasn't super keen on was that sheer shirt. It was pretty, it's just, I just didn't think it was weather appropriate or like the time of year appropriate. And I really did like that jacket. I just wish it was smaller. Same with the jeans. I feel like everything I liked. It's just that there was like either the sizing was wrong or there was like a little bit just extra material or not enough material like with that sheer shirt. So, but overall I think everything was really cute. And I'm really happy with the pieces that I'm going to be keeping. I love that jacket. I love the little blouse. I think those are really pretty and I'll get some good use out of them. So yes, overall a good box. Slightly disappointed in the jeans because I really did like those. I wish that they fit me better, but I think the style, it's just, the shape isn't right for me anyway, and that's probably why they fit kind of weird because my butt took up too much room and then it was just feeling a little bit weird in the front. But overall, I think another great box. So I will leave the website for Dailylook down below so you guys can go ahead and take your survey and take a look at the website and see if it's something that you would think that you might like. Also, I will leave a few of the other videos that I've done with Dailylook before so you can see the other boxes that I have received and kind of what I've kept in the past. And I think that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy and found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.